Shenzhen Huidu Technology Company Limited was established in 2009. It is located in Shenzhen, which is known as the City of Innovation. As a professional display control system solution provider, Huidu Technology focuses on the R&D, production and sales of LED and LCD display control systems. It is also a national high-tech enterprise and a dual software enterprise in Shenzhen, and has been awarded the honorary title of the industry's top 10 brands for 5 consecutive years. At present, Huidu Company has 5 major product lines, including the asynchronous full-color LED display control system, synchronous control system, video processor, single dual color control card, and LCD digital signature Android motherboard, as well as the cloud-based platform, LED art app, HD player, HD set, HD show, HD 2020 software, etc. Cover the complete software ecosystem of the cloud, mobile phone, and computer. Huidu Technology takes technological innovation as the lifeline of the company's development. The company pioneered single dual-color U-disc LED control cards, original IP-free settings, and automatic connection to full-color control systems. The first batch of commercial internet cloud-based management platforms, and the industry's first Internet Information Security Bank-level protection certification. In addition to continuously surpassing in the direction of LED display control system and achieving industry leadership, Huidu Technology also continues to break through boundaries and enter the LCD display Android motherboard market. Huidu has rapidly grown into a dazzling star in the Android motherboard industry with its unique mobile control, compatible with LED and LCD display control, and consistent industrial-grade product quality. After 12 years of development, Huidu Technology has 28 domestic offices and 17 overseas technical service outlets. The company's products are sold to more than 102 countries and regions around the world, and annual sales continue to grow at a growth rate of about 50%. Relying on continuous innovation ability, Huidu Technology has obtained more than 30 software copyrights and patents, including 6 invention patents, and its products have passed CCC, CE, FCC, RoHS certification. In the future, Huidu Technology will adhere to the corporate culture of customer first, unity and hard work, continuous innovation, embrace change, and strive for excellence, and to become a well-known listed company that wins high-quality innovation and high-quality products and services as its long-term goal.